Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to create an ASMR video. Take a look at this TikTok account. It's getting amazing results. Right now, this topic is trending on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Step 1. Get a good prompt. The first step is to start with a high-quality prompt. I'll provide all the prompts in the video description. You can give these prompts to ChatGPT and ask it to generate more similar ones. Step 2. Generate the video. Once you have the prompt, the next step is video generation. For this, I'm using a trending tool called Google VO3. Simply enter your prompt into VO3, and after a short wait, your video will be ready. Pro tip: sometimes VO3 may take longer to generate a video. In that case, try using it between 4 AM and 5 AM. It usually works faster during that time. And that's it. Follow these steps to create amazing ASMR videos that can go viral.